Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about the first tutorial for our third module, that is deploying TinyML for ESE 3600. We have Arduino, an open source electronics platform to deploy hardware and software. It is very useful for us as TinyML engineers because we can skip to the easy part of deploying TinyML and not worry too much about the hardware specifications altogether. Next, we're going to talk about the integrated development environment. Like any other programming language, Arduino has an inbuilt IDE. So you can download this IDE using the links that are provided in the document. There are also other IDEs that are available, such as VS Code and other web editors as well, which you are open to experiment and explore on your own. We're going to move ahead and do a quick tutorial of how the Arduino IDE looks and some basic functions that we can use to debug and understand what goes on into our program. Okay, after downloading the IDE, you have this sort of environment at your disposal. You can go ahead to File and go to Examples and click on Basics. There you can find a sketch that has already been written by the Arduino developers that is called Blink. Go ahead and open that. Once you open that sketch, you have this basic sketch available in front of you. We have two specific functions, which is void setup, which is this one, and void loop. Both of these functions are pretty self-explanatory, given that setup means to set up the initial variables that are needed for the program. Here you can set up LED names, you can set up initializing variables, and you're going to see in later videos that we're going to have a lot of different initializations for our tensor models, specifically TensorFlow. So in this program, we have a void setup and we have pin mode. Pin mode is a function to set the specific variable name of our LED here to the function, which is the output. So this just tells us that LED built-in is supposed to give a particular output to our program. Next, after setting the pin, and given here, just to mention that LED built-in is a keyword for the Arduino platform. Next up, we have the void loop, which means that after setting up once all the variables, the void loop function is going to run until and unless we don't stop anything else. So we have void loop. We do a digital write, that is writing to the LED built-in pin, a high command. This will make the LED turn on. Then we use the delay function, which is also an inbuilt function in the Arduino libraries, to give a 1 second delay and then turn off the LED, and then again give a delay of 1 second. And this cycle keeps on repeating until and unless there is no power given to the Arduino hardware. Okay. Thank you and see you in the next video.